This is your complete guide to setting up and using the Phantom Wallet mobile app, mainly a Solana wallet, but it also supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Polygon. Let's get into it. First, create a new wallet. You'll be asked if you want to enable biometrics. This is just extra security, so choose what works for you. Next, you'll see your recovery phrase. This is your wallet. It's how you recover access. If you lose your phone or delete the app, your assets aren't stored on your device. They're on the blockchain. If you lose this phrase, you lose everything. No support team can help. Also, if someone else gets it, they can access your wallet. Write it down and keep it safe. Once that's done, press Get Started. If you already have a Phantom wallet, tap Import an existing wallet. Enter your recovery phrase and all your assets will load up. You can also import a private key or connect a hardware wallet like Ledger Nano X. If you have a Ledger, don't enter its seed phrase. Just connect it via Bluetooth and sign transactions that way. Inside the app, you can toggle different networks on or off. While Phantom is mainly for Solana, it also supports Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Polygon. Go to settings greater than active networks to enable them. Each blockchain has a different receive address, even though they all connect to the same seed phrase. To manage accounts, go to Account 1, press Manage Accounts. You can add multiple accounts under the same seed phrase, like having different bank accounts under one login. Each account has a unique public address, but they all stay linked to your recovery phrase. Let's deposit Solana. Tap Receive, copy your Solana address, and head to your centralized exchange like MX. Buy Sol, withdraw it via the Solana network, paste your address, and confirm. If you're depositing USDC or any other Solana token, use the same address. Everything on the Solana network shares the same one. Now that Solana is in your wallet, you can send it. Tap Send, enter the recipient's address, and confirm. Just remember, every blockchain transaction requires a small SOL fee. If you're sending USDC or other tokens, you still need some SOL for gas fees. If you want to cash out, send your Solana back to your exchange. Copy your exchange's deposit address, select Solana as the network, and confirm the transaction. Once it arrives, you can sell or convert it. But if you want to trade meme coins, don't use Phantom. Use a meme coin trading bot like Nova. I've got some videos on my profile showing how to set it up. That's it. You're now set up with Phantom Wallet and ready to go. If this helped, subscribe and drop a like and comment. Only 1% of you watching is subscribed.